PrepMaster Analytics offers the option to statistically analyze the performance of maintenance activities on an automated system. This includes the clear graphical and tabular representation of the performed, planned, and missed maintenance tasks. The data can of course be evaluated for different time periods and various time intervals. In addition, the status of service activities can be assessed for individual components, machine groups, or the entire system. Also, the time spent on the maintenance of machines and machine groups can be reported with the help of the statistics tool. Again, the numerous filter and selection functions allow a targeted approach and a quick analysis. The integration of organization and evaluation functions makes it possible to keep track of the effort, efficiency, and expenses required to maintain the equipment. It is thus an important management instrument for the planning and optimization of financial and personnel resources.